Hello, I am Megan Lambeth, your Richmond County Tourism Director with your weekly Rockamercial. So you can find out all the fun that is happening here in rocking Richmond County. We are in downtown Rockingham at Hudson Brothers, where this Friday night, Mother Rain will celebrate their 30-year anniversary. Come downtown and enjoy the live music with one of the local favorite bands and celebrate 30 years with them. Mother Rain this Friday night here in downtown Rockingham at Hudson Brothers. For the fun here in downtown Rockingham, we have some tonight in Hamlet at Axe to Grind. They will have music bingo. And at Cole Auditorium, they will have the second night of the Black History event. This event is free and is put on by the Richmond Senior High School African American Studies Group. This event will continue tomorrow night, Friday night, and wrap up on Saturday. You can see more information on the Facebook event page. Friday night, in addition to Mother Rain here at Hudson Brothers, Double Vision will have karaoke. And Saturday, the Sandhills Shag Club will have their monthly Shag session at the American Legion in Hamlet. The Grille in Rockingham will have their steak night for Saturday. That starts at 4 p.m. And at the Estate, they will have their Valentines dinner for 2. Saturday evening, there will be a Valentines dance at the VFW. And in Hamlet, Axe to Grind will have Bowtie karaoke, and more live music will be in Rockingham at Double Vision with Ducky Medlock. And Super Bowl Sunday brings lots of options here in Richmond County to watch the game and have good food. Starting in Hamlet at Hail Mary's Tavern, they will have a Super Bowl party. So will Axe to Grind, Strikers Lounge at Strikers Bowling Alley in Rockingham, and the Hideaway Tavern also in Rockingham. You can see more information on all of those Super Bowl parties on Facebook. They all have event pages. For more information on these events and other upcoming events here in Richmond County, see our website, visit richmondcounty.com. Make sure you are subscribed to our blog so you can receive our newsletter every week with all of these events and more. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We hope to see you around town this weekend. If not, we will see you next week.